Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will do an iPhone 7 review on iOS 14.4. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video. So Apple released the iOS 14.4 beta 1 to developers and I've installed it on my iPhone 7 and my god, the performance have increased exponentially. I'm not kidding, the performance is now much more better. I mean, it's like seriously, it's like 10 times better than earlier. I have not come across any bug, any stutter, and this is, I think, one of the first time that I have experienced no stutter after updating to my device to any beta, because it has seriously never happened to me, and especially beta 1 should be the most buggiest bug among all the, I mean, if I use 14.4 beta 1 is so stable and so fast, I'm really curious to see how Apple will develop the beta 2, 3 and so on. So if you're thinking about updating your iPhone 7 to this firmware in order to gain some speed, I would definitely without a doubt say go ahead and do it, because this is a beast on iOS 14.4. If you want a speed test between the iPhone 11 on iOS 14.3 and iPhone 7 on iOS 14.4 beta 1, you guys can let me know down in comments below. I can do it for you guys, and I'm pretty surprised with the performance, and it is seriously comparable to iPhone 11. Of course, in third party apps it's not as good, but in system based apps and web apps it is really much more better than earlier. So if you are new to the channel, I always give scores to every iPhone whenever the new beta or any new update comes out. So this time, in terms of performance, iPhone 7 gets the most amount of bump it have ever got on iOS 14. I mean, iPhone 7 have got like few points upgrade in performance whenever iOS 14 was released. Since then I was giving scores, and iPhone 7 have got like 1 or 2 point increase in terms of performance, but this is the biggest jump yet. On iOS 14.3 it was 7.1, and right now it has jumped to 8.3, which is seriously good, really good. 8.3 out of 10. In terms of stability, I would give it a 7.8 out of 10, because still there are some bugs considering it is the beta 1, but it is still not as major as it should be in the beta 1. Now talking about the overall usage, I have a moderate usage. If you don't know me, I have a moderate usage. I don't do intensive things on my iPhone 7 because number one fact that it is old, and number two that it is, of course, this device does not have potential to have to just run such a high intensive games and all in 2020s. If you guys can agree with me, it would be really helpful, but we have to live with this fact that iPhone 7 is now old and it cannot run high intensive games. But I tried running some games on this device, and oh my god, I am surprised. The performance have been increased a lot. It is almost the same level as iPhone iOS 13. If you guys know, I know many of my bros, the iPhone 7 on iOS 13 was really quick, especially on PUBG it was really quick. But after iOS 14, the PUBG gameplay and every gameplay was iOS 14 just smashed gameplays on iPhone 7 in terms of any game, almost 90% of the games. And I would I'm I'm so proud to say, if you are a gamer on iPhone 7, I would say this update is for you, and you have to just wait for some time for the public version, and this update is for you. This is same as iOS 13.7, and if you have used iOS 13.7, you know what I'm talking about, the stability and everything. So that's it for today's video. I will be doing a follow-up video of this really soon, so you can subscribe to my channel and turn on notification if you are interested into that. Peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode. And if this video was helpful for you all, be sure to share and like this video, and comment down below your thoughts. And peace out. I'll meet you all in the very next episode.